Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to explaining class 9 chapter 4 lines and angles exercise 4.4. It is a state syllabus Andhra Pradesh. Question number 6, find the values of x and y in the given figure. So in the given figure there is one triangle is there, and here the angle is x, it is exterior angle for this triangle. So interior angle 30 and y, it is exterior angle 140. So these two angles are adjacent angles. Okay, sum of angles at a point and a line is how much? 180 degrees. So here y plus 140 is equal to how much? 180 degrees. At this point, how many angles are there? Two angles. The two angles sum is how much? 180. So sum of angles at a point is 180. So plus 140 is going to side up and minus 180 minus 140. So y is equal to 40. So for this triangle it is a exterior angle. So exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So here exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So that is x is equal 30 plus y. Y angle is how much? 40. So x is equal 30 plus 40. That is x is equal to how much more? 70 degrees. So the x value is 70 degrees, y value is 40 degrees. Next, question number 7. In the given figure, segments shown by arrowheads are parallel. Find the values of x and y. So here these two lines are parallel. Then it is a transversal line. So it is interior, it is a interior. These two interior angles are either side of a transversal line. So here x is equal to 30 degrees. Y alternate interior angles are equal. So here x is how much? 30 degrees. So here you can see in the figure it is a triangle. For this triangle it is a exterior angle. Y is exterior angle. So here exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Opposite interior angle. So here y is equal to, for this exterior angle what are the opposite interior angle? X and 45. So x degrees plus 45 degrees. So x how much? 30. So 30 plus 45. So 30 plus 45 how much? 75 degrees. So y is how much? 75 degrees. In the given figure, sides QP and RQ of the triangle PQR are produced to a point S and T respectively. Angle SPR is 135, angle PQT is 110. Find angle PRQ. So here we know that sum of angles at a point and a line is how much? 180 degrees. Okay, here this angle we don't know that, let us check that is A. This angle we don't know that, let us check that is B. So here given angle SPR is equal to 135. Next angle PQT is 110. We know that sum of angles at a point on a line is 180 degrees. So here at the point P, 135 plus A is equal to 180. A is equal to 180 minus 135. A is equal to 45 degrees. A is equal to 45 degrees. Next, at the point Q, sum of angles how much? 180 degrees. So that is here 110 plus B is equal to 180. At the point Q, these two angles sum is how much more? 180 degrees. So B is equal to 180 minus 110. B is equal to how much? 70 degrees. 70 degrees. Next they are asking that angle PRQ. So A is how much? 45 degrees, B is how much? 70 degrees. Okay, sum of angles in a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. So here sum of angles in a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. So triangle PQR. In a triangle PQR, the sum of angles is how much? 180 degrees. So that is here A plus B plus angle PRQ is equal to 180. So A is 45, B is 70 plus angle PRQ is equal to 180. So 70 plus 45, 115. So 115 plus PRQ is equal to 180. So angle PRQ is equal to 180 minus 115. So 180 minus 115, how much? 65. So angle PRQ is equal to how much? 65 degrees. So angle PRQ is how much ma? 65 degrees. Next, question number 9. In the given figure, angle X is equal to 62. In triangle XYZ, if YO and ZO are bisector, bisector means dividing into two equal parts. A line is dividing the angle into two equal parts. So that means the YO is dividing the angle Y into two equal parts. Next, OZ is dividing the angle Z into two equal parts. Okay, bisector line means a line is dividing the angle into two equal parts. So here YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively. Find angle OZY and angle YOZ. They are asking that this angle and this angle. Okay, before you can find the angle, find the X angle. So in triangle XYZ, sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180. So angle X 62, angle Y 54 plus angle Z is equal to 180. So 62 plus 54, that is 116 plus angle Z is equal to 180. So angle Z is equal to 180 minus 116. Angle Z is equal to how much? 64. So angle Z means what? Angle XZY is equal to how much? 64. So here they given that YO and ZO are bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY. So when XYZ is bisect by YO line, then how many angles are formed? Two angles. The two angles are equal. There are angle XYO is equal angle OYZ. Okay, this angle is equal 2 times this angle is equal half of angle XYZ, half of angle XYZ. Why? It is dividing to two equal parts. So that is here half into angle XYZ is how much? 54. That is to 1 ja to 27 ja. So that is here angle XYO is equal angle OYZ is equal to how much? 27 degrees. Next, similarly, angle XZY is bisect by OZ. That means it is dividing on parts to equal parts. So that is here that is here angle YZO is equal angle XZO is equal half of angle XZY, total angle. Okay, the total angle is dividing to two parts. So angle YZO angle XZO is equal half of angle XZY. So angle XYZ, how much you can get? 64. Okay, so that is here half into 64 to 1 ja to 32 ja. That is angle YZO is equal angle XZO is equal 32 degrees. So in triangle YOZ, sum of angles is how much? 180 degrees. Okay, so that is your angle Y plus angle OYZ plus angle YOZ plus angle YZO is equal to 180. So here angle OYZ how much? 27 plus angle OYZ plus 32 is equal to 180. So 27 plus 32 how much? 59 plus angle YOZ is equal to 180. So angle YOZ is equal to 180 minus 59. So angle YOZ is equal to 180 minus 59. How much? 111 degrees. Okay, so angle YOZ is how much? 111 degrees.